Hello DJs of YouTube, my name is Deep and in today's video I'm gonna teach you how to record your DJ sets and I'm gonna tell you why you must record your DJ sets. So when I search this topic online, I see that such a simple thing is explained in such a complicated way. They say do this, do that, use this, use that. It just gets too complicated. So I'm gonna cut the crap and tell this to you in simple steps. We are living in 2020 and today it's easier than ever to record your DJ sets. And all the older methods are no longer relevant. But first let's talk about why would you want to record a DJ set. Let's say you're a beginner DJ. When you record your DJ sets as a beginner DJ, you have the opportunity to go back home and listen to what you performed and what you played and assess your mix yourself to see what is it that you did good and what is it that you can improve in your own DJ set. And if you record your DJ set and if it's something that you really like, you can also upload that to different websites online and create your online presence. It's really important to have an online presence, and sharing mixtapes is one of the best ways to promote yourself. Hi bro, can you send some of your music? Yeah sure bro, I'll send you some links, you can listen to my music there. It just gets that easy, guys. Oh, by the way, I hope you guys are liking my content. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It helps the channel grow and it encourages me to make more such content, such great content for you guys. Thank you so much for the support. Now let's talk about how to record your DJ set. The short answer, the easiest way to record your DJ set is by using one of the DJ softwares like Rekordbox or Traktor. In 2020, most of the clubs, at least in India, will have the class-leading equipment, the flagship of Pioneer, the Pioneer CDJ 2000 Nexus 2 and the DJM 900 Nexus 2, or at least they will have the 900 Nexus 1 because it's been 8 years since they released that, and I'm sure that no equipment will last that long and they'll not stick on to that old equipment. I'm pretty sure that they have some of the newer equipment which has this feature where you can connect the mixer or the players to the Rekordbox software and record your DJ sets. If they don't have this, chances are you'll be using your own controller to perform. And that again is much more easier because you're anyways using a laptop and the DJ software which is connected to the controller. In both the ways, you can use Rekordbox as your DJ software to record your DJ sets. Just connect your mixer or your controller to your laptop and hit record. It is so easy, it just works. Let me show you how to do that now. You will need one of these USB cables. All you need to do is connect your hardware, be it mixer or a controller, to the laptop using this USB cable and open the DJ software of your choice. In my case, it's the Rekordbox, and look for the recording option which comes built in. If you don't see this option, chances are you're using one of the older versions of this software because recording wasn't available in the past and now it is. So all you need to do is update your DJ software. Once you activate your recording feature, this small option will come up that will have a big red button. All you need to do is click on that record button and start performing. Now make sure that your levels are under control because the levels, if they are higher, your sound will sound distorted. Try to stay in the green or yellow region. I recommend you keep the knob at about 9 o'clock. This will give out a healthy signal. By the way, there is a limit to how much you can record. The limit is 3 hours in Rekordbox at least. Once done, you can simply click on the record button again to stop recording. You will be asked to give your recording a name. Just give it any name you like and your recording will be saved inside of your laptop under the recordings section. To locate this file on your laptop, you can simply right-click and select Show in Finder. This file is a WAV file, by the way, which will be very large in size. So what you need to do is use one of those audio converters and convert this file to 320 kbps MP3. And this file is now ready to be shared or uploaded online. Now, how to get that MP3 converter? You can use one of the online clients as well, or you can download the free applications that are available everywhere. I'll try to link something down in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. Alternatively, if you have an iPhone or an iPad, you can use your iPhone or your iPad and download this software which is called DJM Rec, which is a free software developed by Pioneer only to record your DJ sets. It's amazing because it's got all the features that you need. It shows you the waveform, it shows you how much is the input signal and how much is the input gain. All you need to do is connect one end to your phone and the other end to the send and return port of your mixer and hit record. That's how easy it is, guys. Don't forget to put your phone on airplane mode so that you're sure that your recordings don't get interrupted. Oh, by the way, this app doesn't support Android phones yet. It's only for Apple devices. And that's it. That's how easy it is to record your DJ set. There are other methods to do this, but I think this is the easiest and the fastest way, which is also free. Why would you want to record in any other way? There are ways where you can use an external recorder and all of these other things, but I don't think it's required because the digital signal is any day better than your analog signal. Just use your laptop, take your laptop whenever you want to record your DJ set, take your laptop along with you, just connect one USB cable and it just works. Oh, by the way, if you guys have any doubts, please you can also inbox me on Instagram, or you can leave your questions down in the comment section and I will be able to answer all of your questions there. That's it for today, guys. I hope you guys learned something. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy to help.